tell you the joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Mr.
Mr. Who?
Mr. Blobby.
That's a good joke.
Hello. Hey. I am a dog, babe. Not.
You're not? I thought you were the star.
Ah. Welcome to the Cooking Creepy Kids.
Cooking with the Creepy Kids. Hello. Today we're going to have a new video. We're going to do some more baking. What are we going to make today? Some creepy Halloween cookies. So, to make these cookies is very simple. We need 275 grams of plain flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 1 egg, 100 grams of unsalted butter. Leave it out overnight before you do it because it's nice and soft and much easier to work with. A bit of vanilla extract, and we're going to use about 75 grams of chocolate chips in our one. Some chocolate chips! So, first things first, we need to combine the butter and the sugar. So, do you want to pour the butter, tip the butter in here?
I cut a little bit.
You cut a little bit? Oh no, we're not going to have enough, are we? Go on, pop that in there. Oh, it's stuck! Oh, there we go. That one come out. Right, so what we're going to do first, we use the sugar first, not the butter. Not the butter, the flour. Silly. Right, so we've got that nice and mashed, it's nice and soft in there, so we're going to pour the sugar in first. Can you pour the sugar in for me? All at once, go on, one big drop. Blop. Don't put that in there, we don't need that. So,
that looks brown.
It does look brown.
Why does it look brown, guys?
Because we've got some golden caster sugar in here, because it may give it a little bit more.
How is that blue, guys?
Texture of a coloured finish. Nice and brown
Like and
cookies.
subscribe for more videos.
Like and subscribe for more videos. So, we do it with softened butter because this has just taken about a minute and it's already nice and flat.
Can I do it?
Smashing. You can do the next bit if you like. How about that? Do you want to do a quick mash? Go on, give it a quick mash. That's it. I'll tell you what you can do when you give that a quick mash. Whoa, whoa, we need that in there. We're not going to have enough. Right, so we just need to crack the egg.
Can I do it?
Go on then, you crack the egg. That's it, in that bowl. Oh, you're meant to take the shell off it. Good job, bud. Good egg cracking. Looks like you've had a cracking time. No, not funny. Okay, so we've got egg. You need to whisk the egg a little bit first as well. So.
I am a bed. Peanut butter, jelly time, peanut butter. Can I do it?
Tell you what.
Oh.
You stir this and I'll pour it in. Go on. Go on, whisk all that in.
I got it on my spoon.
Do you want some help with it?
Get it on my spoon.
Go on, mash it in.
Yeah.
Whoa, we don't want to splash it everywhere, it'll go all over. So we'll work that bit in.
It looks like poo, but it's yellow.
Yellow
looks
poo.
like my baby's poo.
Looks like baby's poo.
Yeah, look.
Does it really?
Yeah, look.
That's not the best way.
Sludgy.
All sludgy and slimy. Right, so we'll put that in there. Right,
Slimy.
do you want to pour a little bit of flour in there? I'll mix it up. Do you want to use the spoon? Look. Move these molds that way. Use the spoon. Put a spoon in here. Now wait.
Oh no.
Just wait,
The
wait.
recipe is ruined.
One more. That's
It
it.
keeps dropping. Keeps dropping.
Oh no.
Pink.
Mix it all in. Oh, it's, oh no, it's dripping everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Oh, one thing we forgot to do already. Oh dear. We forgot to put our extract in, didn't we? We better put that in now before we get too much into it. Right, so a little bit of vanilla extract in there. That's okay, don't worry about that. So let's pour mixy. And this should start coming together. And you can see it getting tougher and tougher and tougher. because it's not going to come together in a dough because we need to handle it and roll it out in a minute. So let's put the rest of this in here.
Yeah.
Right. Whoa, you messy tyke. Right, leave that on there because we can use that. That's right, we can use that. So let's just fold the rest of this flour in. And what are you doing for Halloween, Ashton? What are we going to do for Halloween?
Splashing everywhere.
Oh dear. That's right, you're allowed to get messy when you're cooking, aren't you? As long as we tidy up afterwards. So what are we doing for Halloween? Because it's difficult with the trick or treating this year, isn't it?
Party.
We're going to have a Halloween party at home by ourselves, aren't we?
What about if you give it? Give a like and subscribe if you want to.
Yeah, like and subscribe if you like to. So,
I think they subscribe 100 likes to our videos.
100 likes. You'd like 100 likes, would you?
Yeah, then I'll get the fans seeing me.
Oh, that would be cool, wouldn't it? Oh my goodness. Right, leave that there because we're going to need that in a minute. So we've mixed this up now, and you can see that's very different to how it was a minute ago. See, just like that. And now, the last step, before we start rolling it out, pour them chocolate chips in there.
I'm going to have it this side.
You're going to have it
I'm
that
getting ready for it.
Getting ready for it, are you?
So,
So we'll work that in. Give it a good knead. Now you have to be careful with your chocolate chips.
it's on the floor everywhere.
Oh dear.
It's 100.
100?
Yeah, look how small 100 is.
Oh my goodness.
Ow.
Oh, sorry there.
Imagine 2000.
2000. That's a lot, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got all this folded in. We've now got a giant blob.
Can I get it out?
In a second, yeah, because we need to make sure we're doing this right. But you have to be careful how many chocolate chips you put in. If you put in too many chocolate chips, it's going to be really difficult to get your cutter through because the chocolate chips are going to be too close together. So,
Look at my shorts.
black trousers.
I am a messy type.
You're a messy type. Black trousers were definitely not the right clothing to wear, were they? Right, so.
They get white.
Yeah, they are now. Right, so. Hang on, wait. Hold it, lift it up here. Right, and you're going to drop it from up high. That's
Can
it.
I do it again?
One more time. Splat.
So sludgy.
Right, leave it like that then.
It's like
if not,
Play-Doh.
leave it then. We're going to overwork it, aren't we? We can't do that. Well, we use a rolling pin for that because look, it's going to. Oh no, it's going to start sticking that. Need to make sure it's got flour on it. Or it'll stick to the worktop. Right, okay, so grab a bit more flour and we'll put this over the top. It's not a rolling pin will stick. On your hands. Boop, boop, boop.
Whole sludge.
That's it, right. Now we want to roll these out to about 1 centimetre thick. So that is, what do you think? That's about a centimetre? Bite your fingers. Right, a little bit less here. Right, so, because this is Halloween, we've got a special Halloween cookie cutter. Ooh. Oh, Ashton's done one already. So, do you want to put a little bit of flour in here? Careful. Let's put some flour in here. And we have to put flour in this one, because if not, he'll stick. And you won't be able to get your cookie out. Not very easily, anyway. So we put a bit of flour in here to help them come out easier. Oh, you've done some already. Right. We've got to have lots of spaces. So, let's do a dug here, shall we? Plop. We can pull Doug out. And there he is, see? He's stayed in the thing and not in the mould. Right, one more. Now wiggle, 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 wiggle because of the chalky chips.
Can't get it out.
Oh, that's okay, we'll
It's
get
the
them
wrong
out.
way round.
Uh-oh, done it the wrong way around. So, we're going to do this. Oh, you stuck it the wrong way around. Oh dear. So we'll do this. That's it. So we've got all of our cookie cutters in. What we'll do, we've got some greaseproof paper on some baking trays just over here. Oh, well done, buddy, good job. So what we'll do, we'll pull them over here in a second. We'll take all these out, and then all these bits around the outside, we're not going to waste them, so we'll roll them back all up together, and we can make some more. That's right. So, let's get a baking tray, our first one.
I'm going to make a spotty one.
A spotty one? Just a shape, a flat shape, is it? Oh, we don't want it too thin or it'll overcook. Let's fold that in half, look. I'll do. Right, hang on. This is the messy bit. You need to get your mould out. Here's our Doug. Doug number 1.
I
You did it, good job. Here's Doug number 2.
Teddy bear.
And this is where it's important that you flour before you start rolling it out, because if not, they're going to stick down, aren't they? Okay, so we've mashed it all up and we've got as many out of it as we can. And we've got our last little bit left where I think, let me just measure it up, make sure we can get 1 teddy bear out. Do you want to push that down?
Yay, Teddy!
So we've got a teddy bear.
And then we can have 1.
And wait, we'll just have 1 blob, can't we? You'll be happy. Don't rub it in your hair. You messy child. So, we've got all our cookies, all our biscuits all rolled out, all our moulds done. We've got quite a few here. I mean, look at all them. So you get quite a few to the mix. We've got some Halloween ones and we've got some new cookie cutters that Ashton wanted to try, so we've got them. So they're going to go in the oven just for 10 minutes till they start to brown up. When you look at them, you can see them start to go brown. Should take 10 minutes at 190 degrees in the oven. So let's get them in the oven, shall we? Cool. And then we'll see you when they're done.
No, we won't see you.
Well, they'll see us, won't they?
He's not doing.
Shall we do a little next scene bit? Shall we go, and then the next scene's going to come up?
Yeah.
Go on then. Okay, so 10 minutes in the oven. Take these out when they're nice and golden brown, but be really careful because the pans are going to be really, really hot. Really hot, and you can burn yourself, even the biscuits when they come out. So if you've got little fingers, just be careful of that. We don't want anybody to burn themselves. So you can see here, we've got a nice plate full of animal biscuits and shapes there, and we've got our Halloween cookies as well. So, but I don't know where Ashton is. I've not seen him. Oh! Oh, Ashton, I know it's Halloween, but you scared me. You scared me, you did. Okay, so if you liked it, thank you very much. Give us a thumbs up. What do we do? Like and subscribe. Ashton said he wanted 100 likes, so please give us 100 likes, that little thumbs up button. And if you want any more,
down there, just down there.
Down there. So if you do want to see any more of us cooking, give us some ideas in the comments. If you want to see us cook something different, let us know. If not, see you next time. Bye.
Ah!
No.